Hello mga kachapopoy. So meron na namang isang question dito. So ang question natin is, as determined by the court, which duration of the sentence as an imposable penalty would send a convicted offender to a BJMP facility for confinement? So, ano nga ba ang meron dyan? Ang tinatanong daw kasi dyan, yung imposable penalty na mailalagay natin sa BJMP considering the fact na may judgment na. Although, yan naman talagang given. So, dalawa lang naman tatandaan natin. Ang concept natin, kung ang pinag-uusapan natin is 3 years at pababa, 3 years and at pababa, dali natin sa BJMP. Pero kapag more than 3 years, okay, dali natin sa Bucor. Okay, isa-isay natin dyan. 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Ano na yan? Ilagay nyo na sa Bucor yan. Ilagay na sa Bucor. 12 years, 1 day and above. Ilagay na rin sa Bucor yan, boy. 3 years and below, pwede natin ilagay sa BJMP. 3 years, 1 day to 6 years, ilagay po natin yan sa Bucor. So, anong tamang sagot natin dyan? It should be 3 years and below. So, ulitin natin ang question. As determined by the court, which duration of the sentence as imposable penalty would send a convicted offender to a BJMP facility for confinement. So, ang tamang sagot natin yan, basta 3 years at pababa, ilagay natin yan sa BJMP. Okay, so thank you and have a good day. Chapopoy tayo dyan. You know.